To create an AWS S3 bucket, follow these steps to store and manage files in a scalable and highly available object storage service. Sign into AWS Management Console. Log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to S3. In the AWS Management Console, search for and open S3 from the Services menu. Create a new bucket. Click Create Bucket. Configure bucket details. Bucket name. Choose a unique name for your bucket. Bucket names must be globally unique across AWS. Region. Select the AWS region where you want your bucket to be created. This region will affect the latency and data storage location. Block public access. Enable or disable block public access settings based on your use case. Set bucket permissions. Decide how you want the bucket to be accessed. You can grant permissions like private, only accessible by account owner, bucket owner only accessible by the account that created the bucket, public, read or write access by anyone. Create S3 bucket. Click Create to create the bucket. Manage objects in the bucket. After creating the bucket, you can upload files by selecting the bucket and clicking Upload or dragging files directly into the S3 management interface. Set up bucket policies and permissions. Add bucket policies or access controls depending on the desired level of security and sharing.